Disclaimer! The following intro has been used in more than 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 of my videos, house hunting videos. So the same intro in 5 different videos. To just ask you to subscribe. Hello, my name is Vicky Mugambi. I am a commercial model, and in this channel I teach you about commercial modeling. That is how to find auditions, how to prepare for auditions, how to audition, how to get on TV doing commercial modeling. Yes, kwa sababu hiyo inakuangia kila mtu, by the way. Hii kwangi eti ni actor, actress. Inakuanga ni kierere yako na neema ya Bwana. Neema ya Bwana. Yes, apart from that, I do house hunting videos. I do some makeup and a bit about my hair. But the only reason why I'm here is because you guys are not subscribing. See, nimekuwa kwa hizi streets za YouTube for too long. See, just give me 1,000. Nitashukuru, nitasema asante, na nitasema mubarikiwe na data bundles. Wi-Fi yenyu isiwai isha. Okay, enjoy the video. This is Saika Estate, and for those of you who are familiar with Saika Estate, there is the gated community, which is right up after that fence, as you can see. And there is the non-gated community where people just buy land and build their own houses. But in this video, we are going to show you places where there are new buildings that have never been occupied before are being built. And as you can see, the owner of this building was very generous when it comes to space. Everything in this house is very spacious. As you can see, this kitchen is very huge, very spacious. And also the bedrooms are very huge and spacious. He was not stingy when it comes to space. As we enter the first bedroom, which is right opposite the kitchen, you can also notice it is very spacious. It is not the master bedroom, but it is one of the biggest bedrooms that this house has. Also look at the living room. It is huge. It is very spacious for a dining table and your own living room set. This is the smallest of all the bedrooms, but as you can see, it is spacious enough to fit in 2 beds. And like I said, it's a newly constructed house. That is why we have that ladder in the middle of the bedroom. Now entering the master bedroom. This is how huge it is. This is the master bedroom, and as you can see, it is ensuite with a very huge bathroom, which has hot shower, of course. And I kind of like the tiles in this house. The whole house has some beautiful themed tiles, and because of lighting, I hope you can see how huge this master ensuite bedroom, toilet and bathroom is. But look at this bedroom, it is huge. Look at the living room, it is huge. Headed to the balcony. As you can see in the corner, there is a tap and some outlet for power in case you want to do your laundry with your laundry machine from the balcony. Like I said, this is Saika Estate, a place where new buildings are mushrooming, and all these buildings are new. The common bathroom is also very huge. The tiles are still the same as the other one, and like I said, this is a newly constructed house. No one has occupied it, so that explains all the dust in this bathroom. The one bedroom is also as spacious as the three bedroom. The one bedroom goes for 16,000 Kenya shillings, inclusive of amenities like water, which is readily available 24/7.